Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Google Play Store and confirming you're signed into the same Google account you used to buy Tinder. Tap the profile icon in the top right. This reveals account options and purchases. Once done, choose Payments and Subscriptions, then Subscriptions. This shows recurring charges. Make sure Tinder appears on the list and note the renewal date, so you know why timing matters. You don't want an accidental extra charge before canceling. You tap Tinder from the subscriptions list to see plan details and next billing date. Then press Cancel Subscription. Google often asks you to pick a reason, which does not affect cancellation, but helps them improve. Confirm your choice when prompted. This stops future renewals. Make sure to read the confirmation screen so you understand access until the end of billing period. You keep benefits until that date, so no immediate service loss happens. You finish by checking your email for a Google Play cancellation receipt. This is your proof. If you don't get one, open Play Store again to verify Tinder no longer appears under subscriptions. If you still see charges, make sure you check the correct Google account and the card used for payment. People often have multiple accounts. If problems continue, contact Google Play support with the order ID or Tinder support. They can trace and reverse improper renewals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.